Good morning. We're up at the inlet. I got lots of people joining me today. I got Steve. I'm gonna put his stuff in the description too. I got Billy, and he's a YouTuber also. He came from Billy, you came from Maryland, right? You drove down from Maryland?
Yeah, Maryland.
From Maryland you drove down from. So we're gonna do some fishing. The inlet is empty right now. Billy, you're lucky, bro. This inlet is normally full on Saturday morning.
7 a.m.
Yeah, 7 a.m. is 7 a.m. Yes. Water looks really good. I'm gonna leave description for everyone's stuff in the description box. And let's set up. We gotta get some bait. We got fiddler crabs. We're gonna catch some mullet. We're gonna get some big fish today. Billy. Might need it, let me see. Just come, let's come. Yeah. Do you see him?
Ooh, very nice.
It's big?
Definitely keep it.
No, it's good.
Get the strength. Get the strength.
Yeah.
Sheepshead slayer.
Thank you.
All right. Look at that. He has someone else hook in his mouth. Look.
Oh, it's probably your hook from yesterday. Those are good eating.
Yes, they are. Look,
Those are good eating.
it's got someone else hook in the mouth too. Look.
Someone else?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's a nice fat one. Took it out. Hold on. Put it on.
I think it'll keep.
Oh, you mean the measuring tape? It's over there.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah. Billy.
Yeah.
First fish of the day. All right. You guys got to check out Billy's channel. He just got here.
Zephyr fishing.
Zephyr Fishing from Maryland. We're here to get some of these.
Yeah, I'm trying to get one too. I'm trying to get one next.
All right. See, you guys need it too early. There's my buddy Steve too. Steve, where's your shirt? You gonna show the channel too? All right, I'm gonna put all these guys' description in the all these guys' channel in the description box. But look at this one. Let's see how big it is. I'd say 15 maybe.
15?
Looking like 13.
Yeah, 13 and a half.
Oh yeah, 13
What
and a
size?
half.
See how fat it is though?
What do you have to
12.
How big is
Nice.
That's a keep.
Yeah.
the keeper?
All right. Let's put them up. Good sign. So here, look. But the seaweed, it's not making me feel that bite. All right. I have to be fishing with a 5-ounce today. The current is very, very strong. Doesn't look that way, but it is. Look at seaweed on my other line. You boys catch anything? They're fishing for sheepshead too. Let's put on some fiddler crab. So, all right. You see some biting?
Might be small though.
Nah, he's good. Oh, you want to make him steady? Good. So that's Billy. Came up from Maryland to do some fishing at the inlet and look.
Finally, the sheepshead bites has picked up. I caught one. Now I took his spot actually. Secret spot. We'll see the.
So hey, you guys got to check out Billy's channel. It's Zephyr.
Zephyr fishing. Yeah.
Zephyr Fishing. He's got lots of good stuff. Did you guys do the video in Japan too?
Vietnam.
In Vietnam. In Vietnam, he did that video. And he goes everywhere. I know I see the California video. He's been down south at Deerfield.
Montauk.
Yep. So do check out his channel. I'm going to leave everything in the description box.
Let's measure it real quick before you
Yes,
go.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
sheepshead.
It's just about the same size like mine. You see?
Nice fish.
Oh, 13, yeah.
Yeah, over 13 too.
Yeah.
A good
Over
catch.
13, 13 and a half.
Yes.
Check that out, guys.
All right.
He swallowed the hook too, so definitely want to keep him.
If you remember my last video, we were using spittle crabs. So let's try the same thing and see if we get a good one. Carolina rig, of course. Sometimes I like to have both of my rod baited. Just in case the bite is good, I just put the next one down and fish with the other one. So I have both rod baited. Come on, let's get him up.
There we go. Let's get him up.
Tell me if I need a net.
No, I think we're good.
Okay.
Next one.
Come on. Look at the size of him.
Heads up, heads up.
There we go. You got him, Billy?
Second one, guys.
Yes. It's a good size one too.
Definitely keep him.
All right. Come on, Shane. You got to catch a big one too.
All right.
All right. Now, left turn on the camera. We got Billy and we got Steve on the other side. They're fishing for bluefish. He's got a bluefish. There's Billy with his blue.
They're biting right now, they're chewing.
Yes, yes. I just got to measure him to make sure he's legal. How's it going? How's it going, Andre? Oh yeah, he's good. It's just over 12. And look at the blue the kid got, look. Look at Brandon's blue. Hold it up there, Shane. Watch your fingers, right? They bite, Shane, so be careful. Yeah, hold them good. Come on, put out the next bait. Put out the next. Here we are planning on leaving, and look what's going on. Steve and his team is on a big ladyfish though. There we go. Woo! That's Lisa on the hook.
Are we leaving now?
Lisa, you really like this place, huh?
Catch and release.
Love it.
Alright. There's Lisa. Come on, Lisa, over. Vlad's like a good luck charm for truth boy. There we go. This is SLC Outdoors. Alright. Yeah.
I sit from this side because I'm running out.
Here, I got my buddy from SLC Outdoors hooked on to something really big. Steve, what do you got? Steve, what do you got? Look at that blue size. Yeah, nice one. Really nice one, Billy. That's how they do it in Tampa.
Barely made it there.
You guys gotta check out my buddy's Steve's channel, really good.
SLC Outdoors.
SLC Outdoors. Alright.
Almost at the limit.
Yeah, really nice one.
Got it, guys.
Alright, alright.
SLC Outdoors in the house.
Alright.
I
hope you had a good time.
thank you for showing me around.
That was good.
We got 2 Sheepshead, 3 blues, limited out on blues. Thanks to the Sheepshead Slayer right here.
And we got Steve too. Hey, we got to do
Appreciate
this
it.
again. We got to
Yeah,
do this
we'll
again.
run it back every year.
Yeah, we'll do this again. Hey, do check out his channel. You know, lots of good fishing. You'll see he just went to Vietnam. He had some nice videos. I'll put a link to a few of his I'll put a link to a few of his videos in the description. Do check him out. All right,
Thanks for
show some
watching.
love. Yep. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I got one. 2 sheepshead too. No, I got 3 sheepshead.
Yeah,
All right. So as
Yeah, you
always,
should have.
thanks for watching. Eddie, next time you come, you gotta go catch clean.
Oh yeah, definitely.
All right.
Next
Hey.
time we're gonna fix fish at flagger.
Well, hopefully we get back up here by then, you know. So this is something, you know, don't throw away your shrimp. Like, you can save it,
Freeze it, use it for next
freeze
time.
it, use it for next time.
Save money.
Yeah. And then it's good for pompano, good for whitings, black drum.
If you don't want to use it, you can chum it too.
Yep.
Freeze it up and chum it.
Transform this cooler into a nice little bait well. So this way, you know, it's hot.
Yeah, it's
stored up.
insulated.
Yep. So it
Keeps
keeps
your
everything
fish,
nice.
fish or shrimp much more lively. Doesn't die that quick. Yeah.
All right.
There you go. Just a Coleman that's $10, $15 from Walmart.
Very, very simple.
And this is you can recharge it. This is a rechargeable one, so you can bring a USB charger and charge it too. Or solar, direct solar power, which I have in my car, but I don't have it with me.
It's good. All right. We're packing up, we're leaving. Let's get it done.